Okay, good morning to you all. How are you today? I hope you might be understood that previous classes. Did you read the textbook? How many times? Those who read more than two times, just raise your hands. Okay, few members only. I think some students one time they can understood very well. That's why maybe they failed to read them more than times. Okay. Now, this is before going to start. I would like to say that this chapters you might be read more than two times. Then only you can understand what are the things, what are the topics, content, that meaning and everything is here. Okay. Today we have to discuss about moon. In previous classes we already discussed about the stars and the moon also there. Sun is a center of the solar system. I already discussed that sun in the center of the solar system. Here I am going to draw one more that the same picture is here. This is the sun. Then sun has there are 8 layers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sun is the center of, already discussed that center of the solar system. Okay, first one is sun has 8 planets. Sun has 8 neighbors. That neighbors means that what is called a planets. I told you, it's a neighbors means just clues is there. No, that's clues is the neighbors. That is what is called the planets. First one, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Okay, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Today we have to discuss about the moon. Okay, these things we have to just skip here. This third one is your moon. We the peoples, we the human beings lives only in that earth. Earth is home. I told you now. Earth is home for all the living things. Is there, especially living and non-living things. Is there. Okay, this is our earth. We are living in the near the third planets of the sun. Okay, in that earth also has one satellites that is called moon. Okay, this is earth and this is moon is here. Okay, this is also moon. We can see moon in a different shapes also there. That also we have to discuss now here. Okay, this is moon is here. Okay, one more thing says the moon is the smaller than the earth and the sun. One more important thing is there. Moon is smaller than the earth and sun. Then moon is the ball of rock. This 8 planets, this Mercury, Venus, that 8 planets moving revolve around the sun. But the moon is the only the satellite of the earth that revolve around the earth. See that just again I remind you that not moon is not not moving or revolve around the sun is not moving around the earth. Okay, then means it has no lights of its own. That is lit up by the light of the sun. Okay, it has no lights of its own, and that is lit up by the light of the sun. See, then when the moon, see one more thing is there, when the moon goes around the earth, and different sides of the moons are different sides of the moons lit up by the light of the sun. And we can see that only part of the light that is lit up. So it looks the shape of the moon change from different sizes. Okay, that moon already discussed about that the shape of the moon change every day. Sometimes we can see that moon. Where we can see the moon? Yes, the moon we can see at that also in the sky at night. Okay, can you see the moon? Have you ever seen the moon? Okay, some days we can see the moons in different shapes, sir. Okay, how is happening is a different shape of these moons. See, is already one more thing is the moon is much smaller than the earth and the earth and the sun. Okay, moon it has no lights of its own and that is lit up by the lights of the sun. Yes, here there are different types of moons, different shape of the moons. Okay, shape of the moons. First moon is new moon. Second one is crescent moon. Half moon. And gibbous moon. And last one, full moon. Okay, there are 5 types of moons are there. There are 5 types of moons are. First one new moon, second one crescent moon, third half moon, gibbous moon, full moon. New moon. What is the new moon? I already told you that new moon means we couldn't see the moon from the earth in a dark area. When the moon is between the sun and the earth, when the moon is between the sun and the earth, the sides of the moon we can facing us from the earth, only dark side only we have to see from the earth. That type of moon what we can call a new moon. Okay, that after that 1 or 2 days from the new moon, after that 1 or 2 days we can see one a small shape of, that means just like this shape we can see from the sky. That type of moon we can call a crescent moon. Okay, in after 1 weeks. After 1 week, we can see that just like this moon, after 1 week, yes, after 7 days, 1 week or 7 days, we can see that half type of moon in the sky. Okay, then one more after more than 3 or 2 or 3 days from the half moon. That after 2 or 3 days from the half moon, we can see that yes, this type of moon we can see that from the earth. Okay, this type of moon we can see from the sky is called a gibbous moon. Then last we can see that a full moon. See that full moon. Yes. After 2 weeks, after 2 weeks from the half moon, that means 2 weeks from the that new moon, we can see that full moon. That full moon means that time the moon is just to opposite side of that moon is just to opposite side of the sun. That time we can see that clearly moon from the earth. That type of moon we can call a full moon. This topic again I remind you that there are different 5 moons are there: new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon, full moon. New moon means when this moon is between the sun and earth, the side of the moon we can facing us, it has no sunlight, and that type of moon we can call new moon. Then after 1 or 2 days from the new moon, after 1 or 2 days we can see a small small shape of this type of moon. That moon is called crescent moon. Again 1 week, that means after 7 days, 1 week, after 7 days we can see that type of moon we can call from the sky, that is half moon. Then gibbous moon, after 2 or 3 days from the new moon, we can half moon, we can see that a gibbous moon is there. Then 2 weeks away from the new moon, 2 weeks away from the new moon, we can see a full moon. That time moon is just opposite side of the earth. That time we can see clear of the moon, that we can call a full moon. See, a moon, the moon is a small, one more thing is this moon is smaller than the earth and sun, and moon gives us cool and peaceful night at us. Then one more last, an increasing and decreasing order of the moon is, see, phases of the moon, increasing and decreasing order of the moon, and what we can call the phases of the moon. Okay, then increasing, that a moon shape also change differently is there. That increasing and decreasing order of the moon is called phases of the moon. Okay, the American Neil Armstrong was the first astronaut visited in the moon first. Okay, I'm going to sum up this point. Just today itself we have to read the textbook page number 10. You have to read it properly, and after that this chapters, one video clip also I given that related that chapters, that questions you have to read and find out the answers yourself from the textbook. If you have any doubts, I will clear with you on coming days. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.